Can you believe it's already April? OMG. Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. And welcome to the unboxing of the April 2026 Allure Beauty Box. In case you weren't aware, this is a $30 a month beauty subscription where you get at least 6 products and 3 are guaranteed to be full size. Over the past year and 4 months, we've been able to select a shade or product. And if you're interested in subscribing, I do have a discount code down below, which I believe will save you $10 off of your first box. The box does come with a booklet, which will share all of the products and include full-size prices. Now, I must say, this month's box is quite light compared to previous months' boxes. All right, the first item, what is this? It's from a brand called Cryo-Ice, and it's a sake roller. What's a sake roller? Oh, please don't be something you just kind of press against your face. Have you met me? I'm very lazy. All right, so item number 1, I need to reference the booklet. Okay, yes, I was correct. It is something you roll on your face. However, it's something you put under your eyes. It says to place it in the freezer for 30 minutes until it turns pink. And then once you take it out of the freezer, let it sit for 5 minutes before you use it to smooth in any serums under your eye. Okay. I assume the metal part, or do you use this part? I don't know. To be honest, I don't think I'm ever going to use this. But let me know if you have used a product like this, and if so, if it's worth it. Speaking of being worth it, shut the front door. This retails for $55. I like my boxes to have a nice value, but not on a tool, and definitely something I'm too lazy to use. So let me know. Do you think this is a good product? Ugh. Okay. Next product, we have something from BELIF. We tend to get products from BELIF quite frequently, but which product are you? So this is the Aqua Bomb Frozen Cream. OMG, BELIF. Okay, so a box this big, you would think, oh, it's going to be, you know, a product this size. No. We have a little baby squeezy tube. OMG. All right, so what are you? Frozen cream? Is this for the eye? Okay, so this says to slather a nickel-sized dollop under the skin, work your way from the top of your forehead down to your neck. Okay, so not an eye cream. Full size retails for $26 for 50 ml, and we received a 10 ml sample. Okay, come on, box. So far, April's not looking so hot. Oh, okay, we seem to have a perfume. This is by Rosie Jane. Well, I assume it's a perfume because I saw Rosie Jane, and I'm fairly certain that is a scent. It is. What scent are you? Oh, I think it's just called Rosie. I have not put any perfume on today, so we can test it out. Okay, I was like looking for the spritzer, but yeah, it has a lid. All right, please be good. And by good, meaning a scent I will love and enjoy. Okay. I like that. I sound shocked because most perfume scents I'm not thrilled with, but what does that smell like? Don't ask me. But they describe it as woodsy and floral. I think it smells, yeah, I guess woodsy and floral. I don't consider myself a woodsy kind of girl, but if you smelled that scent before and you can describe it better than I can, leave me a comment and let me know what you think it smells like. All right, what does that retail for? $29 for a 10 ml travel size. Okay, so this one product paid for our box. I'm not going to count that $55 frozen face scraper, or not face scraper, but whatevs. Okay, next item. Ooh, okay, this is why I like the Allure box, because we will get some really nice bougie brands And this is the one where we got to select our shade. So this is from YSL, and it's the Love Shine Candy Glaze. Now, I already own one of these, so I picked a boring shade. I picked clear. I don't know if they call it clear, but it's the clear one. Let me run and grab the one I already own and share that shade with you, which I believe was one of our options. This here is in the shade Nude Lavalier, and interestingly enough, I got this in the Allure box from last year, April 2025. So apparently every April we're gonna get a YSL lip glaze. All right, what does that retail for? $43. Wow, this box value is up there. Okay, next item, we have something in a box. This is from a brand called OMIC Skincare, and this here is a 10% Tranexamic acid. Don't ask me what that is. It's a face serum. This here, I assume, is a sample size. She's tiny. It has one of those little bloopity bloops. Let's see what it retails for. Okay, so full size retails for $39.99 for 30 ml, and we received a 10 ml sample. All right, what else did we get? Oh, I recognize this brand. Oh, but it's not what I thought. So I think this is from NULASTIN. Yep, I'm currently using an eyelash serum from them, and the packaging is pretty much the same. But this here is a brow product. It's a shape altering serum. Oh, okay, so not makeup. That makes sense. They do lash serums, so this is a brow serum. Oh, that's going to be confusing for me because the bottle is exactly the same. So I should wait until I finish using the lash serum and try the brow serum, or else I might get them mixed up. I am curious though, is the formulation actually different for your lashes versus your brows? If you know, let me know. Okay, that was everything. Oh, but what does that lash serum retail for? Shut up. $84? Let me see if I read that correctly. For 3 milliliters. And this here is 3 milliliters. Wow, 55 plus, what was it, 43 and 84? This box is approaching like $200. That is insane. Let's recap everything we got in the April 2026 Allure Beauty Box. We got the Skin Inc. Cryo-Ice Sake Roller, a sample of the BELIF Aqua Bomb Frozen Cream, the By Rosie Jane Rosie Travel Spray, a sample of the OMIC Skincare Tranexamic Acid Face Serum, the NULASTIN Brow Shape Altering Serum, and the YSL Candy Glaze Lip Gloss Stick. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, holy value, Batman. But you know, value is important, but only if you are gonna use and enjoy most of the products. Although if you get a $43 YSL lip glaze, lip gloss, whatever they call this, that to me is bougie, nice. I don't know. To me, this one product definitely paid for my box. I am super impressed with this Rosie by Rosie Jane. I'm really enjoying the scent. Maybe it just jives really well with my, whatever you call it, skin chemistry. But considering I usually don't like scents in boxes, I'm very happy with that. I always love and enjoy using serum, so I'm not mad at a serum sample. I enjoy products from BELIF, so again, not mad at a skincare product. As I mentioned, I use lash serum. I never used a brow serum. I don't know if I'll have the discipline to do it, but hey, I think it will be worth a try. So for $84, this is definitely a product I would never personally buy, so I'm happy to get it in my box. The one product, just because I'm lazy, is this one. But let me know if you use products like this and if it's worth the extra effort, or if this is just an overpriced piece of plastic with metal on the bottom that I'm certain is probably made in China. Alright, if anyone's curious what the total MSRP value of the box is, I'm going to list it on screen. I would love to hear from you if you get this box. What shade of the YSL lip glaze did you select? And also, did you subscribe last year? And how do you feel about getting the same lip product 1 year apart? I could see how that might annoy some people. Me, I'm indifferent. Alright, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you can do me a big favor, clicking on the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow, as does swiping the hype button if you happen to be watching on your phone. Alright, thanks everyone!